Hear this little pile right here? This is it right here. I mean, there's a little bit more over here, but mainly this is like all my clothes. So I'm ordering clothes today. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Samara Love, and if you don't know me, welcome to my channel. And today's video, we're gonna do a closet clean out. This is all my clothes. I don't really have that much clothes because I've been doing this closet clean out for a while. Anytime that I can, I try to get rid of clothes. So yeah, so I've already started. Like, I want to have an organized wardrobe. So I'm trying to build my capsule wardrobe. And if you guys don't know what a capsule wardrobe is, it's basically just having the basics so that you always have outfits. So basic t-shirts, jeans, that's what I'm trying to build now. But in order to build that, I need to figure out what I have and what I need to get rid of that no longer like is my style. Yeah, so I have 3 different piles right now. I have the clothes that I know I'm going to wear that I like, and then I have the clothes that you know, are just trash, they have holes, or just I don't really dingy, I don't really want them anymore. These are stuff to go through these too. And then these are all like my donation stuff, Goodwill. And then these are clothes that I can sell. They're still salvageable, they're still in good condition. I just, you know, either they're not my style or I no longer want them. So that's what these are. So I have to go through this pile, and then I'm pretty much almost done because I don't really have a lot of clothes, like I said, guys. We'll talk more about my capsule wardrobe when I get more items, but for right now I'm going to watch my Desperate Housewives, and I'm going to put you guys up, and we're just gonna do this really fast. I'm gonna fast forward it, and yeah, I'll show you guys what my closet looks like afterwards. This is my closet. How my closet looks. It's pretty big, but I'm only gonna work on this section today. So just this section. These are all my shoes down here. I have to order more shoes as well, so this is gonna be like a process. It's not all gonna be done in one day. I'm already getting rid of a bunch of clothes, so because I feel like my style definitely is changing. So we'll see how it looks at the end, but yeah. I moved on so long ago, so long ago, I can't even remember when we lost each other. Was it last year, this year, or some other? Been so long since you said things that cover up the lies. We can do it this time, just have some faith. We can do it this time. Do it this time. Been dealing with me rough. You're 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 dealing with me. Oh. Purple bag, I have like clothes that I'm gonna keep, but I'm not gonna keep them in my closet because I don't feel like I'm gonna like grab them and wear them like now, but eventually I will. So I have that bag here. I'll put some more clothes into the donation bag, and then all this right here are like pajamas, and yeah, so now I'm gonna start hanging up. Y'all, this is it right here, this little pile right here. This is it right here. I mean, there's a little bit more over here, but mainly like all my clothes. So I'm ordering clothes today. So I'm selling, so we're gonna sell those. And yeah, so like at all, I'm gonna hang up all these clothes, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Listen. Seeing you got ritualistic.
cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart. Yep. Tension between us just like big fences.
I'm sorry for the lighting, guys. This is how it looks. Up there I just put like some pajamas, like extra shirts, and then these are all like my gym clothes. And this is everything. I do have some dirty clothes, so I don't have a lot of my like regular t-shirts and stuff like that, but I'm super happy. I got rid of a lot of clothes. This took me like 2 hours, took me a minute. I have everything that I'm going to sell, and then this is all trash, and then I already took out the clothes that I'm going to donate. That took a lot of energy, let me just say. Looks so much better. I just have everything organized, and so now I'm able to really figure out what it is that I want to order. And okay, so I'm gonna give you guys a proper outro. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you guys enjoyed this video. I thought this was really fun. It took me a minute though, y'all. Like, it took me a minute, and I look crazy, and it's like 12:30, so I need to take a nap. But yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment for more videos that you'd like to see by moi. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.